Welcome to week 1 of the Watermelon Quilt Along. This is our beginner-friendly watermelon quilt pattern that we are going to be doing a quilt along for in the month of May. This is a schedule that we're going to be using. If you're interested in joining along with us, head over to our website. About halfway down at the homepage, you're going to see some more information. You can click on that. It'll detail out the schedule. You can sign up for the weekly emails that we're going to be sending out every Friday. That will give you a little bit more information and reminders. Now, on all of our social media channels, I will be doing some weekly basic how-tos for some of the steps, just in case you're a beginner and you need some help along the way. I'm going to be doing things a little bit differently for the one that I'm doing because I have a lot of scraps I need to use up. So I've gone ahead and sorted some of my reds and greens and whites, but the steps will be basically the same and I'll be showing those for you. For this first week, we just want you to read through your pattern, get to know it, prepare all of your fabric, and do the cutting for your fabric. Now, just like with all of our quilt-alongs, we have noticed a little hiccup and we did send out emails for anyone that has bought a pattern or a quilt kit, but just in case that went to your spam, here's what it was. If you look on the first page, you'll see that the amount for your color A is 3/4. That is correct. However, on the back of the pattern, it says 2/3, and that is not correct. It needs to be 3/4. If the back of your pattern says 2/3, that is an older version. Newer versions have been corrected and they say 3/4. Also, on page 6, on step 3, it should be create 80 blocks for the throw size, not 24. So again, if you have an older version, it might say 24. We've sent out an email and we've corrected the PDF version and we've corrected any of the paper versions that have gone out recently. But again, we've sent out emails, but it might have gone to your spam, so check that. Now, this is not a live quilt along. There's no need to rearrange your crazy schedule. We know it's crazy enough. All we do is we just post our weekly progress, whether that's on TikTok or Instagram, pictures, videos, whatever you want to do. We use the same hashtags. I'll put them here for you so you can see what they are. That way we can meet new quilty friends. We can search those hashtags. We can find new people to follow that are just like us, new quilty friends. We get some quilty inspiration. We see great fabric. It's a great way to meet new people. If you're a beginner and you're not sure about what to do, that's totally fine. Pinned to the top of my page on Instagram or on TikTok, you'll see a cutting video for beginners. Check that out. That's going to give you all the basics about rulers, how to cut with the fabric strips, how to subcut. Check that out. It's very valuable. Once you're done with cutting, set everything aside. That's all that you need to do this week. Read through your pattern, get all your fabric prepared, cut your fabric, set it aside, you're done. Don't forget to use the hashtags. I'm going to put them up here again for you so that you remember what they are. We want to see what you're making. We're happy you're joining us.